Alright, let's dive into Sony's brand new WH-1000XM6 headphones. If you're familiar with the XM5S, you know they were solid but left some quirks unaddressed. The XM6S fixed a lot of that, and I'm here to break it all down. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button to stay updated on all things tech. Starting with design, Sony stuck with what works. These are still super lightweight, with plush vegan leather ear cups and a flexible headband. They're built for marathon listening sessions, perfect for travel, commutes, or just zoning out at your desk. But here's the kicker. The XM6S finally fold again. The Mark V skipped this feature, forcing you to lug around a bulky case. Now they snap into a compact, magnet-sealed case that's way more travel-friendly. No zippers, just a slick magnetic clasp. Genius. Sony also tweaked the buttons and mics. The power button on the left side is bigger, making it easier to distinguish from the noise-canceling toggle. On the right, you've got USB-C and a headphone jack. Small changes, but huge for usability. And those mics? There are 12 now, up from 8, paired with a beefier QN3 chip. Translation, noise cancellation, and voice pickup are sharper than ever. Let's talk sound. The XM6S pack new drivers, delivering punchier bass and clearer mids/highs compared to the XM5S. Tracks with heavy lows, think hip-hop or EDM, hit harder here. Noise cancellation? Still class-leading. But the real star is transparency mode. It's AirPods Max level natural now, letting in voices and ambient noise without that underwater effect. Huge upgrade if you need situational awareness. Sony's app got a refresh too, now called Sound Connect. You still get 20 levels of ambient sound control, custom EQs, and quirky new modes. Background music simulates speakers in a cafe or living room, while cinema mode upmixes audio to 360-degree surround. It's gimmicky but fun. Want bass heavy? Dial it in. Prefer balanced? The app's got you. Battery life stays at 30 hours, same as the XM5S, which is plenty. Downsides? Ear cups can get warm after hours of use and the touch controls remain finicky. But comfort and sound quality? Unmatched. Now, the price, $449. That's $50 more than the XM5S launch tag. But let's put this in perspective. Bose's Quiet Comfort Ultras are $429, Sonos flagship is $450, and AirPods Max are still $550. The XM6S outshine all of them in noise cancellation, comfort, and Android-friendly features. For multi-device users, they're a dream, pairing seamlessly across Apple and Android gadgets. So, are they worth it? If you're chasing the pinnacle of noise-canceling headphones, something that excels in travel, sound, and comfort, absolutely. Sure, $450 stings, but when rivals cost similar or more and deliver less, the XM6S justify the premium. If you enjoyed this breakdown, show some love with a like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.